Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you and your loved one will be safe and sound at your home. Let's start our today's work, and today's our topic is grammar skills and activities, word and antonyms. For understanding the uh, today's lecture, first we should know exact meaning of the word antonyms. Antonyms is basically a word that is opposite in meaning to another. For example, bad and good. Bad and good. Both are opposite in meanings to each other. Both are opposite to in each other. Basically, we can use a simple word for antonym that is called the opposite. And dear students, एक ऐसा वर्ड जो दूसरे वर्ड के क्या है एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट हो, क्या दूसरे वर्ड का अपोजिट हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, bad and good both are opposite to each other. That's the word anto shows that opposite. The word anto shows that opposite. Name is the basically we can say that meaning. Name is the meaning. When we say that synonym, Sino shows that similar. Sino shows that similar, and name is shows that meaning. Synonym is basically similar in meaning. Similar in meaning. And here basically our focus is on antonyms, and we should know a word opposite in meanings to another. That is called the antonyms. Dear students, here are some words for making the antonyms. We have to use them. First one is cheap. Combine, clockwise, correct, comfort, cruel, danger, dark, deep, disappear, disease, discourage, doctor, early, easy. Dear students, I can tell you the meaning of these words. I hope that you can do this, but I will try to tell the meanings of these words. First one is a cheap. Cheap is basically a lower in price. A thing which is lower in price, that is का उसको कहते हैं सस्ती चीज़. For example, okay, what will be the antonyms of this word? You have to find it. Combine, मुश्तरका साथ, clockwise, a movement which is according to the movement of the clock. यानी कि clockwise क्या है, यानी कि 1 से 12 मूव करती, राइट टू लेफ्ट. अगर हम उस अपोजिट चले जाएं तो क्या होगा? that will be the anti clockwise. Correct? You know that very well, its meaning. Comfort, you also know comfort. I can tell you that a place where you feel the peace, यानी कि पुरसकून. Cruel mean that is very a tyrant. A tyrant mean violent. क्रूअल बेसिकली क्या है? जालिम शख्स को कहते हैं क्रूअल, जुल्म करने वाले को. डेंजर, डार्क, डीप, and these three words that are very easily understandable. Next one is a disappear. Appear means ज़ाहिर and disappear mean गायब होना. Disease, बीमारी. And what's up antonyms of this word? You have to find it. Discourage, हौसला शिकनी करना. Discourage, encourage. Doctor, तबीब. early. I get up early in the morning. Normally we say that I get up early in the morning. It means मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ या उठती हूँ. Easy. Dear students, you will make an effort for solving these word antonyms first. Then you can, if you have the problem, then you can ask me. Next we have the another activities that we will do tomorrow, that is the an application writing. Write an application to your principal for sick leave. Dear students, you have to find out the some points regarding the issue of the sick leave. Why do you want to get the sick leave? What what kind of the problem that you are facing, and for how many days, and what's our doctor's your said about you, or what's our doctor's suggestion. Dear students, you have to collect some points regarding this topic. Tomorrow inshallah we will do an effort for doing this in the best way. Dear students, take care of yourself and your loved one. Thank you.